Hello all! Welcome to my channel where I document and share all my adventures in life, big or small. This video is special to me because when I was a child, I used to sleep on a folding bed. That is why upgrading my bed is a big deal for me. So please help me unbox and let's also talk about sleep. Enjoy!
Mr. Sunshine, won't you turn your love my way?
Hi everyone! Welcome back to another adventure. For today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to sleep better, especially when you are traveling. And make sure to stay tuned because I have a gift for you somewhere in this video. Number 1, pack early. At least 2 to 3 days before ng trip nyo, dapat nakapack na lahat ng mga gamit nyo. The morning before your trip, ma-double check nyo na lahat kung meron pa kayong nakalimutan or may mga kailangan pa kayong idagdag. This is to reduce your sleep anxiety. My second tip is find a comfortable and safe accommodation. Hindi kailangang mahal guys yung accommodation na hahanapin nyo. Ang importante, nasa safe siya na environment. And then, yung sleeping area dapat is well ventilated, dapat malinis and organized, especially the sheets. Make sure na walang bed bugs. So, dapat yan yung unang-una nyong i-check kapag naghahanap kayo ng hotel and kapag nag-check-in na kayo dun sa mismong room. Number 3, if we are traveling, we can also bring sleep essentials. Like number 1, wear comfortable clothes. I-avoid natin yung mga tight-fitting clothes para mas makahinga tayo ng maayos, mas makapag-move tayo freely. Another sleeping essential that we can bring is eye mask. Or third, we can use earplugs. Number 4, take out any stimulants. Alam ko, mahilig tayong mag-cafe hopping, lalo na kapag nasa ibang lugar tayo. So, as much as possible, yung mga caffeine intake natin, gawin natin yan sa morning. And also, you can drink your water an hour before bedtime. Another thing is, we need to put down those gadgets kasi na-i-increase niya yung alertness natin. Tapos, alam ko, meron ding research regarding sa blue light na nakukuha natin sa mga phones and gadgets, and that can disrupt our sleep. Tsaka, diba, nakaka-overstimulate kapag nagsiscroll tayo sa social media. And my last tip to improve our sleep in general is to build a healthy sleeping hygiene. And of course, nagsa-start yan sa bahay natin. Kasi hindi naman tayo palaging umaalis, diba? And you know what, guys? It's very important to choose the right mattress for you. Especially if you have pain in your neck, if you have pain in your low back. Kailangan ang mga features na hahanapin natin sa kama natin is number 1, nasa-support ba niya yung lower back natin? For back pain, it's recommended talaga to choose a medium stiffness mattress. That's why when I had the chance to upgrade my mattress to Emma, I decided to go for it. And although medyo nasa pricey side itong Emma mattress na to, I think it's really worth it because yung main goal ko kasi is to find a bed na malilesen niya yung back pain ko. Today, I'm upgrading my bed, so samahan niyo akong mag-unbox. Itong bed na to, nakikita ko lang po sa mga sikat na influencers. Tsaka, ang nagpo-promote sa kanila is yung kakambal ko, si Nadine. So guys, as you can see, kahit na inuupuan namin yung box niya is hindi siya nasisira. So, well packed. And nung in-order ko pala yung Emma na to, 1 week lang, nag-contact na sa akin na papunta na daw yung Emma. Very hassle-free yung delivery. Hirap na hirap. Huwag niyo akong gagayahin. Hindi kasi ako nag-exercise eh, kaya weak yung muscles ko. Ito pala, gagamitin natin siya. Dito na mismo. Start na siya mag-inflate. So, So, that's it for our unboxing. Actually, guys, 2 weeks ko nang ginagamit itong Emma. I think more than 2 weeks. Minake sure ko din muna na matitest ko siya before ko siyang i-recommend sa inyo. Ang problem ko when I'm sleeping is, number 1, I'm a light sleeper. So, mabilis ako maistorbo. Konting ingay lang, konting kaluskos, or kung may gagalaw man sa tabi ko, mararamdaman ko kaagad. Number 2, I have a low back pain. So, nahihirapan ako maghanap ng pwesto. So, madalas niyan pa baling-baling ako sa side, sa left, hanggang mahanap ko yung pwesto na comfortable ako. But when I started using Emma, pagkahiga ko pa lang, mga ilang minutes, makakatulog na ako. Of course, kapag hindi ako distracted sa phone. So, ayun, na-feel ko na even yung distribution ng weight, and kapag ka medyo matagal na akong nakahiga, may arc yung lower back natin, diba? Parang meron siyang curve na gano'n. So, nararamdaman ko na nag-a-adapt siya dun sa curve ng likod ko. So, nalesen niya yung back pain ko. So far, it's true to its claim na it enables us to sleep better and makapag-deep sleep. And second, yung motion isolation technology niya, where hindi talaga niya ako nai-istorbo kapag merong gumagalaw sa tabi ko. And also, ang pinaka nagustuhan ko sa kanya is that na susupport niya talaga yung lower back ko, which is my problem. So, just to let you know, guys, ito yung mga benefits and claims ni Emma. Number 1, it enables deep sleep because it has heat dissipation properties. So, tinutulungan ng bed natin na ma-disperse or ma-dissipate yung heat to achieve the ideal temperature when we are sleeping. Second, it has motion isolation technology, which is true. Kaya yung mga tao na may Emma Hybrid sa TikTok and other social media platforms, nagawa nila yung wine glass challenge. I also did that. Nung una kong ginawa yung wine glass challenge, nag-aalangan ako kasi baka matapon yung tubig, ganon. Akala ko kasi pang hype lang yun. So, ayun, na-realize ko lang na yung wine glass challenge is hindi lang pala siya pang hype and effect lang sa social media. But that is their one way to prove na meron talagang motion isolation technology yung mga Emma Hybrid matches. Because it's true, nung ginagamit ko na siya, kahit na bumabangon si JC to go to CR, or kapag ka naglalakad si Senyorita, nagpapalit siya ng pwesto pag natulog kami, hindi na ako basta-basta nagigising. And ako pa naman, light sleeper ako, konting kaluskus lang or konting movement lang sa paligid ko, nagigising na ako kaagad. And third, it is ideal for all body types. It adapts to the body by relieving the 7 pressure points, and it evenly distribute the weight. And that's true, kasi kapag ka humihiga ako sa kanya, nararamdaman ko na nagkakaroon ng support and nag-a-adjust siya dun sa arc or yung sa curve nung lower back ko. And the last claim is it has a balance of softness and stiffness. And for low back pain, mas recommended talaga yung medium stiffness na matches kasi kailangan natin ng support sa back. But of course, kailangan pa rin medyo balance yung softness para naman ma-relax tayo, which is yun yung mga features na ino-offer ni Emma. The reason why I chose this Emma Diamond Hybrid matches na nagkaroon ako ng chance to upgrade is because cheaper siya compared to the 2 other Emma matches na available, which is si Original and the other one is si Emma Air. Ganda rin sila. Nakikita ko yung features nila online and nanonood ako ng reviews. Kaso, ang mahal niya. So, as a budget girly, mas binili ko na lang tong si Emma Diamond Hybrid matches because it offers the same features and benefits na meron dun sa dalawang premium matches nila for an affordable price. So, if you're still watching up to this part of this video, thank you so much. And because of that, I have a gift for you. If interested kayo to get your own Emma Diamond Hybrid matches, you can use my code MERRY10. I will put it somewhere here sa screen and also sa description box para hindi nyo makalimutan, para makakuha kayo ng additional 10% discount. And just to let you know, guys, na si Emma, they offer free delivery nationwide. They also offer 100-night trial period and 5 to 10-year warranty. And they also offer installment options and cash on deliveries. And also, there are different types of Emma mattresses and meron din silang mga ino-offer na other sleeping essentials like pillow, ganyan. Yun yung next target ko para naman ma-adjust yung neck pain ko. So, don't forget to click also the description box para makita nyo dun yung link kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-check ng mga Emma products. That's it for this vlog. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next adventure. Bye! Mwah.